Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. Welcome to another video which seems to be my guilty pleasure when it comes to binge watching. I really like to know what's in other people's bag, which sounds really creepy again, but yeah. Today's video is going to be what's in my bag and I'm super excited to do this video. So yeah, without wasting any minute, let's see what's in my bag. Before starting off with this video, I want to share a little about my bag, which looks like this. Just see how pretty and how nice it looks like. Now I got this bag from the brand Zouk. Zouk crafts 100% vegan and proudly Indian bags, wallets and accessories. It's a cruelty-free brand which is also PETA approved. All its prints are inspired by the rich essence of Indian culture and it's a great example of Indian craftsmanship. The best part about these bags has to be how traditional the look is, yet it feels so classy and so elegant. And these bags can be universally, paired up with Indian wear, Western wear. So I think it's really inclusive that ways as well. They also manufacture tote bags, sling bags, wallets, vanity bags and backpacks. Something that I really wanted to try has to be their backpacks, but unfortunately it was out of stock. Whenever it's coming in stock, I'm surely getting my hands on them. Why in particular I chose this style has to be the print. I absolutely loved it and the pattern of it. This looks like a mini vanity bag. Actually, this is a mini vanity bag, but it feels really nice. And it is extremely spacious. Like you can fit a human being inside, if I'm not even bragging. This is so spacious. I'm just kidding. When you open this has a lot of compartments as well. On the sides you can keep your small things, basically keys and mints and everything right here. And as you can see, I'm guilty of filling this up completely. Can't wait to show you what all I have. But before that, if you are shopping Zouk bags, you can use my coupon code which is flashing on the screen somewhere right here. It will fetch you a 15% off. It's a non-affiliate coupon code. I'm not earning anything out of it. It is just for you all, so don't forget to check it out. I will leave every detail down in the description box below. You can click on it and you can enjoy all the products and everything. Let's move on to the first item in my bag, which is literally something that I cannot do without, which is my diary, and it looks somewhat like this. I have used it so much. थोड़ा सा weird दिख रहा है, but yeah, this is such a pretty diary, very colorful. My happy place is written right here because all my ideas and this diary is used for my YouTube, which is my happy place. So yeah, this is how the inside of it looks like. कोई भी important pointers वगैरह आता है ना, तो I just jot it down so that I don't miss it out. Plus जब diary इतना colorful हो ना, अपने आप ideas आने लगता है. So please check out this brand, which is My Paperclip. They have amazing colorful diaries and space काफी है लिखने के लिए, so you can use it on a daily basis. And yeah, this is the first and my most important item in my bag. The next most important item, which I think has to be in everybody's bag, is a wallet. This is how it looks like. It's a mint green wallet. This I purchased from a local market in Kolkata, which is New Market. This just retails for 100 bucks. And yeah, this has a very cute pom-pom right here, which is so soft. So I use it as a stress ball as well whenever I'm stressed. And yeah, again, my wallet, cash, card, everything is right here. And the next item in my bag is a makeup pouch, which I think all the girls carry, at least minimal एक makeup का सारा कुछ ना रहता ही है. So this is how it looks like. I'll share the inside details very briefly ताकि आप बोर भी ना हो. The first thing is this Colorbar makeup water bomb. This is very lightweight. मैं इसीलिए इसको carry करती हूँ. This is very lightweight. So आप ऊपर से भी अगर लगाना चाहो ना makeup के ऊपर, it will not just mess it up. It is so nice, yet it hydrates. So this is the first thing. The next is अगर आप touch up करना चाहो तो उसके लिए compact चाहिए. तो I either keep this Fit Me compact or I keep the K Beauty one, either or, whatever is feeling handy, I just grab it. So this is my next thing. Another thing which is very important, on a daily basis I do not apply any base makeup. So अगर आपको suddenly बाहर और जाना पड़ जाए, so you have to conceal those acne and blemishes. So उसके लिए I have this Swiss Beauty का concealer. This is very छोटू सा and very sleek, so it doesn't occupy that much space. So I keep this one as well, and it blends in very easily. The next item is this eyeliner which I've recently purchased. This is from ELF. I have got it from Nykaa during their Pink Friday sale on such a good deal. This is how it looks like. Another product from ELF which again I got it, मतलब buy one get one combo में, is this highlighter. Bomb product. Both of these I have kept. तो हर मेकअप आइटम ना, मतलब हर जोन में, जैसे अगर हाइलाइटर है तो उसका एक आइटम, एक आईलाइनर का हो गया, काजल का हो गया, आई कीप एवरी आइटम का वन एक्सेप्ट लिपस्टिक विच वी ऑल नीड 2-3 ऑप्शंस तो चाहिए. द नेक्स्ट आइटम इज दिस आईब्रो थिंगी फॉर आईब्रोज ऑब्वियसली, एंड मस्कारा. तो बेसिकली मेरा मेकअप ना आईज पे रहता है, बेस वगैरह आई डोंट प्रेफर ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. तो ये सब तो एसेंशियल्स है व्हेन इट कम्स टू मेकअप. And a few lipstick options. One is this Lakme nude shade which is roasted almond. तो मैं nudes रखती हूँ so that कोई चीज़ को अगर lighten up करना हो या आपको nude लगाना हो, कुछ भी चीज़ के लिए these come in very handy. Another lipstick is Bear With Me from Inside. I will do a swatch video. It will be up on my channel very soon. This is how the shade looks like. Very, very pretty. Another lipstick has to be this NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade Prague. Now I use, like, I'm guilty of using a lipstick as my blush always. I always prefer that, and ये shade काफी अच्छा है for blush. This is my next thing. Next is this shade which is again a mandatory shade, Miss Claire का shade number 54, and there's another shade, I don't know if I have it right now currently. It's 04. That's a very light brown nude shade. I keep those क्योंकि ना कोई भी शेड, जैसे अगर ये मेरे को बहुत तड़क भड़क लग रहा है and I have to just instantly just lighten the shade, I apply that 04. तो क्या होता है, पहला तो मैट कर देता है and the shade is very toned down so it doesn't catch the eye, and that mixes with everything. So that is one shade I will suggest each one of you to carry. A lot of you ask me कि आप क्या lipstick लगाए हो, so I mix a lot of lipsticks and I create my own concoction. So basically this is an art which आप धीरे धीरे करोगे ना तो समझ आएगा क्या सूट कर रहा है आप एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दैट इज वन शेड आई कीप ऑलवेज, एंड दिस इज अनदर शेड टू डार्कन माई लिपस्टिक. कोई लाइट है तो उसको डार्कन करना है. दिस इज 54 फ्रॉम मिस क्लेयर. And the most favorite has to be this NYX Push Up Lip Lingerie. This is in the shade Teddy. Again, I am a brown lipstick hoarder. So this is one more. लिपस्टिक में लास्ट है मेरे पास ये एक पिंक टोन में भी लिपस्टिक रखती है. तो हर जोन में हो गया, ब्राउन्स हो गया, न्यूड्स हो गया, थोड़ा सा ऑरेंजिश पीचिश न्यूड में है. एंड दिस इज दिस पिंकी न्यूड विच इज द शेड आर्टिस्ट न्यूड. एंड अगेन दिस इज वेरी नाइस फ्यूशिया पिंक sort of a shade, like fuchsia pink purpley sort of a shade. And yeah, a lip liner जो कि I don't use it that often, at least आजकल तो नहीं यूज कर रही हूँ, but still I keep this nude lip liner which is L21 Snow Pink from Miss Claire. And lipsticks में तो इतना हो गया. The last few things in my makeup bag is this face wash. फेस वॉश हमेशा रखती हूँ, कभी भी आपको मेकअप क्लीन करना पड़ जाए ना तो फटाफट से फेस वॉश यूज कर लिया. दिस इज नॉट बायोटिक का फेस वॉश, दिस इज एक्चुअली बायोडर्मास एक्ने वाला जो है ना ब्लू कलर्ड सीबियम वन रेंज. तो उसको मैंने इसमें डाल लिया है. सो इट्स doesn't occupy that much space. I think a lot of us do that. And this Fit Me ka primer I keep just in case I'm doing my base entirely. And two other thing has to be a colorful liner which is from Cuffs and Lashes. This is in the shade BTS Love. And my most favorite kajal which is from the brand House of Makeup. And yeah, I think makeup का सब कुछ हो गया है. The last thing which is not a makeup, like not makeup related and something that comes in very handy, like I use it ऑलमोस्ट एवरी टाइम. हैज़ टू बी, मतलब बाकी चीज़ नहीं भी यूज़ कर तो चलता है, बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई यूज़ ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, विच इज़ a lip balm. Currently I'm loving the Mamaearth's Cocoa Tinted Lip Balm. This is how it looks like. मेरा most favorite variant like cherry है and rose है, but वो मेरे दूसरे बैग में है, so ये भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. This is very great. Like काफ़ी अच्छा स्मेल वगैरह है, so this is also that. And yeah, मेकअप का related हो गया. Moving on. Next item in my bag is this AirPods. Again, one of my essentials. I always apply this क्योंकि calls आ रहा होता है. I like to listen to music while I'm working. Another essential, a comb and some hair accessory. This is just a pin. You can, मतलब मन किया तो लगा लिया, उसके लिए I just keep this. Next is again this sanitary napkin, which I think every girl should have for themselves and for other people just in case they need it. तो आप उनको ऑफर कर सकते हो. With diary I keep this pen as well. कभी भी आइडिया आ गया, कभी आप कैब में बैठे हो, आइडिया आ गया तो पेन तो चाहिए ना, तो पेन. And my house key and my scooty key as well. Now I drive a scooty, so that's that. इसका की रिंग टूट गया है. I want to purchase it. अभी तक मार्केट नहीं गई हूँ, तो I will purchase that. And this mint, so good. This mint is by Impact Mints. It's in the variant Black Currant Mints. My favorite variant is the strawberry one. I have completely finished it off. अभी मैं ये use कर रही हूँ. This is also very nice, so refreshing. Mints तो essential है to always feel good and fresh overall, तो mints हो गया. Next, since I have said I drive a scooty, two other things which seem to be an essential is firstly this. So this is something that I got from this Japanese store which is called Mumuso. It's like Calcutta में है. I think Miniso वगैरह में भी ये सब आराम से मिल जाएगा. This is how it looks like. So ये आर्म्स ना काफ़ी टैन हो जाता है स्कूटी में. ओवरऑल ही आप टैन काफ़ी ज़्यादा होते हो, तो थोड़ा बहुत प्रोटेक्शन वगैरह के लिए अगर आप छोटे स्लीव्स का पहने हो तो ये पोर्शन अगर खाली है तो यू कैन वेयर दिस. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस इज दिस हैज़ थंब के लिए ये तो आपको ना अटकेगा नहीं. आप स्कूटी चला रहे हो तो आपको डिफिकल्टी नहीं होगी. आई जस्ट वेयर इट एंड शो यू. दिस इज हाउ इट फील्स लाइक. तो आप नॉर्मली भी अगर धूप में ज़्यादा रहते हो और आपको चाहिए ना, तो वो भी काफ़ी हैंडी आता है. This is how it looks like. A pair of two, and this retails for I think $199, which is quite inexpensive, and the quality is also really nice. Another essential because मैं स्कूटी चलाती हूँ is a scarf. ये मैंने अगेन वो लोकल मार्केट जो मेंशन किया ना, न्यू मार्केट, वहाँ से लिया है. वहाँ पे ना 150-100 रुपया में ना इतना अमेजिंग स्कार्फ्स मिलता है. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. पूरा ना बांध बूंद के जाती हूँ बिकॉज हेयर काफ़ी डैमेज होता है. नेक्स्ट इज दिस हैंड क्रीम. Another essential. I keep on applying and reapplying a hand cream. ये probably मेरा दूसरा या तीसरा ट्यूब है. काफ़ी टाइम से मैंने यही वेरिएंट यूज़ किया है. रिसेंटली आई हैव परचेज द लैक्मेज न्यू हैंड क्रीम दैट दे हैव लॉन्च्ड. अभी तक डिलीवर नहीं हुआ है. आई हैव गॉट बोर्ड ऑफ दिस वन. आई विल रिप्लेस इट विद दैट. The next thing is from Miniso. This is their portable perfume in the variant strawberry champagne. This is so good. Firstly ये portable है, काफ़ी कम स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करेगा ये आपके बैग में. एंड द स्मेल so good. I think I'll repurchase this forever. It is so good. This is my next thing. The next is again a hair accessory, scrunchie. सबके पास होता है scrunchie. And ये थोड़ा सा मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा इसमें तामझाम है. बेसिकली थोड़ा 90s वाइब देने के लिए. This I got as a free gift from her Shein box. I had purchased their clothing and that's where I received it. I keep it. Again, it adds on a little more. Something that I forgot to show you is this bag comes with this belt thing, so you can carry it as a sling as well. So whatever suits you the best. Another thing is again a hair accessory, which is this clutcher. सबके पास होता है. The next item is a rose water. I have mentioned it in a lot of my videos that I always keep rose waters very handy. It just refreshes me and it hydrates instantly. So yeah, this is what I'm carrying right now. Halfway through, I will completely finish it off and then repurchase another rose water because I'm a rose water hoarder. This is how it looks like. Next is my sunglasses, which is surprisingly from the same local store which I've mentioned, local market, which is a new market. But does it look local? Just see how nice it looks. This retail, like this costed me around 250 only. एंड जस्ट सी द क्वालिटी. ये मैंने पौंडीचेरी ट्रिप में ना कितना पहना है, इतना कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिला था. वेरी नाइस. इस टाइप के ना सनग्लासेस काफ़ी अभी ट्रेंड पे हैं. तो अगर आप कोलकाता वगैरह पे हो तो यू कैन चेक देम आउट. सामने ही रहता है. अगर आप गए हो कभी तो आपको पता ही कहाँ पे मिलेगा. दिस इज़ अ लेंस सोल्यूशन. कभी भी आपका आईज ड्राई फील कर सकता है. लेंस जनरली ड्राइज माई आईज आउट अ लॉट. तो क्या करती हूँ, जस्ट आई टेक इट आउट एंड आई जस्ट यूज दिस. तो काफ़ी इंस्टेंट हाइड्रेशन मिल जाता है to the eyes. Another hair care item is my normal glasses. This is from Lenskart. This is how it looks like. Lenskart से ना काफ़ी सारे मेरे like 4 to 5 eyeglasses I have. This is one of them. So whichever one I feel like wearing, जो मेरे look को suit कर रहा है, I just pick it up and I put it inside this. If I'm not wearing lens, कभी भी आपको लेंस अनकंफर्टेबल हो वो निकाल के आप ये पहन लिया तो एनीथिंग शुड कम इन हैंडी. बिकॉज मैं अंधी हूँ. ये दोनों चीज के बिना तो आई कैन नॉट सर्वाइव. आई कैन नॉट सी एट ऑल. टू कोविड रिलेटेड आइटम्स. वन इज दिस हैंड सैनिटाइजर एंड अ मास्क. दिस इज हैंड स्टिच्ड बाय माई मॉम एंड इट्स लाइक मैं यही मास्क प्रेफर करती हूँ. इट्स कॉटन एंड इट्स हैंड स्टिच. तो काफ़ी स्पेशल है ये. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. अनदर हेयर एक्सेसरी. अगर आपको छोटा वाला मन नहीं हो तो बड़ा वाला क्लचर. कुछ भी आपको लग सकता है यार, लेके चलना पड़ता है सब. अनदर लिप बाम, क्योंकि लिप बाम आई यूज इट अ लॉट. तो दिस इज दिस प्लम्स कैंडी मेल्ट लिप बाम इन द वेरिएंट बेरी फीस्ट. आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विद बेरीज. एनीथिंग दैट स्मेल्स लाइक बेरीज. सो जस्ट इन केस वो नहीं है तो ये. लास्ट फ्यू आइटम्स इज दिस लेंस केस. क्योंकि लेंस निकालोगे तो कहाँ रखोगे. सो लेंस केस. This is wet wipes. Again, I use wet wipes really often. If you are going to touch up और आपका मेकअप हल्का फुल्का है तो आप easily clean कर सकते हो. या if you are feeling a little sweaty, you can easily clean it up. And I do not prefer hand sanitizers a lot when I'm out. I feel germs को या बार you're just rubbing it on. So I prefer using a wet wipe first, then I go in and use a hand sanitizer for that extra cleaning process. And lastly, something which is again सबके बैग में होता है, चार्जर. मेरे फ़ोन का चार्जर है. उसके बिना तो आप कैसे क्या सर्वाइव करोगे. So yeah, with that we come to an end to what's in my bag. I think काफ़ी बेसिक और काफ़ी मिनिमल चीज़ें हैं. कुछ भी ऐसा फैंसी नहीं है. सबके बैग में आई थिंक ये सब चीज़ ही रहता है. तो इफ़ यू कुड रिलेट और इफ़ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल या आपको मजा आया देख के, हिट दैट लाइक बटन. सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल इफ़ यू हैवंट ऑलरेडी. Comment down below with any video requests or anything in general. I love reading your comments and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.